So we're back in the 3D room just after coming back from holiday, and I thought I'd show you some of the cleanup processes that we go through with our tablet wall mounts. This is the rear of a Lenovo M11 wall mount. You can see that there are sort of stringy areas. These are a little bit worse than they normally would be because the filament that was on the printers while we were away on holiday has absorbed a bit of moisture, which makes these little strings a bit more significant. So what we do with those, we've got a what's called a solder rework station. This contains a hot air gun that we've got set to 230 degrees. And what this allows us to do is just whip very quickly over all of those stringy bits, and they effectively just disappear. I don't know if it's showing up very well on the video, but you can just see that areas like this, we can just whip over them, keep the solder rework the hot air gun moving, just so that you don't end up melting anything, because it's quite easy if you hang over an area, it'll start to deform because it gets just a bit too warm. On this particular one, we've got a larger piece there which we'll end up cutting off or just breaking off because that's a bit too thick to melt. But we just whip around these very quickly. Takes a couple of minutes for each wall mount, and it just produces a much cleaner result that the end user is going to be happy with.